Hi, this is John with WTI. And as I try to keep my food or my meals as specific, easy, and tasty as possible, this is where this Imperial nuts mix comes into place. And what I like the most about this is that I can pretty much use this for anything. This could be a snack. This could be something that I could eat before I go and do exercises to keep my energy in the right level. And for my oatmeal, I eat oatmeal like an old man, like if I was 70, but I'm not. And this is so convenient because you pretty much can take it anywhere. This has a nice combinations of nuts, cashews, cranberries, raisins, like different types of raisins, and it has a great mix, a great proportion. That once you have like a good taste of this, you get all this different taste of the nuts, of the raisins, of the cranberries, and it's overall a great experience because it just tastes awesome. You put them all together, what are you gonna expect? Awesomeness. So this was John with Dolly ATI, and that was my point of view.